Are you buying bottles from a bottle manufacturer? If you are, did you know that raw materials can account for as much as 70 to 80% of a bottle's cost? That's right, 70 to 80% of the cost of a bottle is in the materials. So using lightweight bottles makes sense. And this is why companies are starting to manufacture bottles in-house. Let's take a look at why a bottle produced from a bottle manufacturer uses more material than a bottle you can manufacture in-house. First thing a bottle manufacturer needs to do is make a bottle. Should be the same bottle you would use if done in-house, right? Wrong. It needs to be stronger, and in this case, stronger means more material is needed to produce the bottle. Once the bottle is formed, it is transported through a maze of conveyors on its journey to a palletizer, which will stack the bottle up to 12 layers high. But our bottle's ordeal is far from over. After the bottles are stacked on the pallet, they need to be strapped, wrapped, stacked, and warehoused. Then, after up to 2 weeks of storage, they will be loaded onto trucks to be shipped to you. Finally, our bottle's journey is over. No, not yet. Once they arrive at your company, they are offloaded from the trucks into your warehouse. Then they need to be stacked again at your warehouse until you are ready to use them. This is a long and grueling process that ultimately requires a much heavier bottle in order to get through this maze of events. Not to mention the resources, energy, and time that will be wrapped into your final bottle cost. But what can you do? Well, there is an alternative. You can manufacture in-house with your own equipment.
Recently, a company by the name of Ciroc decided that it was time to design a monoblock system that was suitable for companies that have small to medium production runs or even short custom production runs.
They named this new machine Combox.
The Ciroc Combox solution allows you to produce a bottle in the same machine where it will be filled and capped, reducing operating costs by 10 to 15% thanks to the use of fewer machines, faster format changeovers, lower energy consumption, savings in labor, raw materials, and spare parts.
And the Combox is designed to increase packaging hygiene and ensure food safety too. So what does this mean to you? Well, for one thing, your bottles do not need to withstand all the rigorous handling requirements that we reviewed earlier. So when you manufacture your own bottles, you can reduce the overall bottle weight while still creating a strong, rigid bottle that will meet all your shipping and handling requirements and the need and requirements of your consumers.
This translates into significant cost savings. Thanks to the all-neck handling feature and the elimination of secondary handling of empty containers, Ciroc has realized material reduction of up to 10%. Transportation and handling. Costs can be reduced by over 80%.
Hygiene. Storage. Reducing your carbon footprint.
So finally, there is a solution for companies that have small to medium production runs to produce bottles in-house and take advantage of these cost benefits.